Hello and welcome to another video from RC Empire from our 1988 Kyosho RS-200 series. Now this video is one I've been meaning to post for quite some time now, since last summer, and feel I have to post it because it's the very second startup and second running video of the model since we restored it. So it will be nice to show you all the full journey. So let's get straight into it. Now the first thing we're going to do is put some fuel in, and I'm just using some 16% Optimax fuel. And pop the screw lid back on. Now again, like we showed in the first video, you have two primer buttons. A conventional one here that goes straight into the carburetor, and one here that goes straight into the cylinder head for, as Kyosho put it on the box, cold starting. So if we prime the conventional one to the carb, you only need a few pumps. Next, turn on your transmitter, connect the power supply to the electronics and make sure everything is working. And we are ready to go. Now as you can see, unfortunately the puller starter spring is starting to go, but it should be okay for the next few runs. And just like that, it fires up super easily, and it sounds great too. The throttle servo arm we made in the last video is working perfectly with a good amount of flex in it. We've got it perfectly tuned and the engine doesn't cut out on full braking. And it sounds like we're ready to go with a little warm-up. And again, if you listen really carefully, you can hear the change in engine tone when the little exhaust flap opens. In the next video, we'll be doing some performance testing, seeing what the top speed is, and maybe putting out some cones and seeing how it goes around a circuit or a slalom. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and please rate and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.